Hello, Professor. My name is Wangbo. This is my document report. This document names zero and negative emissions forest field power plants using CO2 capture by conventional quantum aims. Um, this junior is greenhouse gas control. Uh, this article impact factor is 4. Start. Hmm. First, this document research connect is that um, this work investigated the technological and economic feasibility of achieving zero and negative CO2 emissions in both product PC and natural gas NGCC power plants using conventional in contributing with 13 WT across measurement. Mm, In this work, refer to zero emission when the amount of CO2 in the exhausted fuel gas is equal to that in the intake contribution air, and the negative emission when the amount of CO2 in the exhausted fuel gas is less than in the intake contribution air. Mm, Next is method. There are process model. The first is like this: a rigorous rate-based MEA model developed in Aspen Plus by carbon capture for introduction impact is used in this study. Is used in this study to simulate the CO2 capture process at the different levels of CO2 capture. This model contains of solvent physical properties, reaction candidates, and picking characterization submodels, and has been well with pot plant experiments at NCCC over a wide range of operating conditions. And the two second present the high level process flowed diagram of the combination and process consisting of a fluid gas per treatment unit, a CO2 absorption unit, and a solution regulating unit. And the next picture is the conclusion. From this the present study, evaluated the technological and economic feasibility of achievement zero and negative CO2 emissions in both coal field and natural gas field power plants using post combustion CCS with 13 WT across MEA. The following conclusion can be drawn from this work. Uh, the point part, this is three. This is three. Mm, like the first PC and NGCC power plants can achieve zero emissions. Like two, the larger cost plenty for NGCC to achieve zero emissions is mainly due to temperature baggage at the absorbed top. And this 3. For a PC plant with a levelized plant capacity factor of 0 and 18.5, the minimal CO2 advance cost at plant um, about 99 CO2 capture using the MEA-based CCS technology is $151 ton CO2, lower than the typical cost examined for DAC, indicating the economic benefit of using CCS to follow their burns the PC plant. That's all. Thank you.